Want to make your header sticky in Elementor? I'll show you a quick and easy way to keep your header visible while scrolling, so your site looks clean and professional. But before we start the procedure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, open your website in a browser and notice the header disappears when you scroll. To fix that, click Edit with Elementor at the top. In the editor, right-click and select Header to open the Header Editing panel. Click on the Header section to bring up the Edit Container settings on the left. Go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to Motion Effects, and you'll see the sticky option set to None. Change it to Top. You'll also see options like Sticky on Desktop, Tablet Portrait, and Mobile Portrait. Choose where you want the sticky effect. To remove any, just hit the little X next to it. Once done, click Publish, then open the menu in the top left corner and select Exit to WordPress. Head to your site's demo version and scroll down. The header stays in place like a charm. So, are you ready to take your design skills to the next level? Elementor is my top choice. Click the affiliate link below to start your design journey today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.